the wicked. I guess I sleep when I am dead. Oh, I guess I'll sleep when I am dead.
Say goodbye to regret. I sit and wonder what will come next. Pay no mind to those who oppose the fact that I've grown. What did you expect? I don't wanna waste away just yet. I don't wanna say I came and just went. What if I fade away with no claim to fame and no name? How can you respect what I put forth for you to digest? Even when I stepped away for that moment, knew my heart was gone but still focused. Trying to be positive but still notice that I was dead inside, and I can't decide if my pride became the culprit. But I would find myself coming back at last. I can't sleep, I fiend for that moment when it all works and goes in my favor. Can it be sweet? I mean, so I savor all of my victories. I plead this will be the best way for me to find flavor. What if I tried to climb but I'm way off? Would it be time to cause some more chaos? Could it mean I should walk away? Will it better me or make it worse than me? Can't say what the days may hold, I guess. I gotta live it if I wanna get it, but if I can't, then what's next? Except death, no rest for the wicked. Got no fear from the depths I've risen. No kidding, I play my own victim. Can I be forgiven? At least I don't listen. Well, I guess that's who I am. Just another number trying to be who I can. Ran away to take time inside of my mind to find what I need. Got no plan to back down for now, cause I found a way for me to be free. Can a man breathe and begin to see what he can't be when he planned to reach for the main peak that most seem to seek, but won't dream to step on the feet of who's weak? Pray for the best and I prep for the worst, in a mess that I made trying to find what I'm worth. Blessed with a curse, see both sides of the fence, so I guess I can make this swerve. Came too far to backtrack, in fact I'm past that, so what's even next up to see? How do I breathe when I'm in a scene full of have-nots? Who do I trust now but me? Wanna find peace among the obscene, but I will not bleed for those that ain't real. They can say what they may in front all they want, but that fakeness can't